In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a photo or video from Google Photos to files on your iPhone and quickly confirm it's saved. We'll move a single item from your Google Photos app into the Files app so you can store it in iCloud Drive or on your device. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. If you have many albums, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need by typing a keyword, a place, or even a date. Once you locate the photo or video you want to keep, tap it to open it full screen so you can access the sharing options. With the item open, tap the Share icon. On iPhone, this looks like a square with an upward arrow and sits near the bottom of the screen. This pulls up the iOS share sheet, which lets you send the file to other apps or save a local copy. In the share sheet, scroll down until you see Save to Files and tap it. You'll be asked where to store the copy. Choose a location such as iCloud Drive or on my iPhone, and if you like, pick a specific folder. You can also rename the file here by tapping the file name before saving. When you're ready, tap Save. If this is your first time, iOS may ask for permission to allow Google Photos to save to files. Go ahead and allow it so the copy can be created. To confirm the save, open the Photos app on your iPhone, sometimes called your gallery. Check the Recents tab. Depending on how you organize your media, you may or may not see the new copy in Photos, because in this workflow we saved it to the Files app rather than directly into your Photos library. Don't worry, your file is safely stored in the location you chose in Files. A quick tip for the future. If you specifically want the item to appear in the Photos app, choose Save Image or Save Video from the share sheet instead of Save to Files. That's it. You've opened Google Photos, selected your media, shared it, saved it to files, and checked that everything's in place. This method is great for organizing documents, exporting clips for editing, or backing up items outside your Photos library while keeping full control over where they live.